Today mga ka-faith, alam mo ba, one question can actually change your life. Tanong lang, what would Jesus do? Kung ito ang laging tanong mo, mag-iiba ang buhay mo. Sabi sa 1 John chapter 2 verse 6, whoever claims to live in Him must live as Jesus did. Kaya kung sinasabi natin kay Jesus tayo, dapat makita ito sa lifestyle natin. What would Jesus do? Una, walk in His ways. Live daily with Jesus as your example, not the world. And then watch your words. Speak with love, truth, and grace like Jesus. And then join His mission. Share His love and make disciples wherever you are. And then depend on God. Trust His strength, not your own, in every situation. This is Pastor Francis. Tandaan, bago ka magdesisyon, bago ka magsalita, bago ka gumawa, always ask, what would Jesus do? Kung makatulong ito sa iyo, don't forget to like, follow, and share para mas marami ang makaalala ng what would Jesus do? Or WWJD. God bless. Shalom.